Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. Having discussed the various causes, consequences, and also the tests which could be used to detect the problem of multicollinearity, here in this video we are going to see the solutions of multicollinearity. If you have the problem of multicollinearity in your model, what all are the solutions available which you could use in order to solve this problem? So welcome back to Learn Economia. This is what we are going to look into in this video. Let's get started. Before that, let me tell you that I have done several videos on multicollinearity. As I have already told you, we have done a video on the meaning of multicollinearity, which will deal with examples as well. And we had done a video on the causes of multicollinearity, the possible causes, and a video on consequences and also the tests which could be used for multicollinearity were also done. I'll be providing the links of these in the description box. So if any of you have to use that or any of you need to go through any of these topics, you can use these links and go through these and then come back to the solutions of multicollinearity. As I have already told you, multicollinearity would arise as when you go for a regression, which will have several independent variables, and some of your independent variables are correlated. So here you have to understand the once after you detect the problem of multicollinearity, first of all you have to see which all are the variables which are correlated. In this case, if you are able to identify these variables, you have to drop the collinear variables, or you can combine some of the variables and you can deal with the problem of multicollinearity. Okay. And if you are going for factor analysis, you can see that the principal component factor analysis or principal component analysis, these are actually two different techniques, and this will help you to get some common score of multicollinearity variables or multicollinear variables. And the rule of thumb is that the VIF, which is the variance inflation factor, if it is greater than 10, then there's a problem of multicollinearity, and you can transform your original model and get the new model and see whether the new model still faces the problem of multicollinearity or not. And if it faces a problem, you can you can use some of the tests again to dictate the problem of multicollinearity, and if there is still a problem, you can go for what is known as the solutions to multicollinearity. One of the important and one of the easy method is to remove some of the highly correlated independent variables by looking into the ways in which these variables are correlated, or by looking into the um, manner in which these variables are correlated, whether it can be highly correlated with respect to positive sense or with respect to negative sense. What I mean is that there can be negative correlation or there can be positive correlation. So whatever it may be, you can drop any of the variables which is causing collinearity issue in your model, and you can get the new transformed model and see whether the new model is also causing multicollinearity issue. Or you can combine certain independent variables by adding these variables together and get a new variable and use that variable in your model instead of your collinear variables. Or else you can perform an analysis designed for highly correlated variables such as principal component analysis, as I have already told you. Or you can use certain new and advanced methods like rich regressions to deal with the problem of multicollinearity. So that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and you can be a part of my Telegram channel and Telegram group to discuss your doubts. I'll be providing the links of both these in my description box. That's all for today. Thank you.